Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how one simple addition to your diet could make a big impact on your heart health. We're talking about leafy greens. These nutritional powerhouses can help prevent heart disease and keep your heart beating strong. Let's dive in. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that directly benefit your cardiovascular system. But what makes them so effective in preventing heart disease? First up is vitamin K. Leafy greens are packed with this essential vitamin, which helps regulate calcium in your body. By preventing calcium from building up in your arteries, vitamin K ensures they stay flexible and free from blockages. This reduces your risk of developing atherosclerosis, one of the leading causes of heart disease. Next, leafy greens are rich in nitrates, which are natural compounds that improve blood flow. Once consumed, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in your body, a molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, lowering blood pressure. And we know high blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Not only do leafy greens help control blood pressure, but their powerful antioxidants, like lutein and beta-carotene, fight free radicals and inflammation, another key contributor to heart disease. Adding leafy greens to your daily meals is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your heart. Whether you toss them into salads, smoothies, or soups, the benefits are endless. Remember, small changes lead to big results. By simply eating more leafy greens, you're giving your heart the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and strong for years to come. So, are you ready to start adding more leafy greens to your diet? Your heart will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.